They will talk about how can you add new story on your Amino app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on stories, click here on your story here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Click here in this sign. So then here you click on 11, then it's going to take you to your photos. Then select photo you want to add on your story. So when you just add it here, so when you add your story here, click on down, then it's going to add video on your app. So when you down here, add here topics or credits, then you click on subs, then it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.